Being part of the cohort has been nothing short of life-changing. It's given me so much confidence, both in myself and my work and my writing. I sort of, in a way, I wasn't conscious of being not confident, but only now at the end of it, looking back, I think I realised that I was. And I've grown both through interaction with the other members of the cohort, but also through all the classes and the workshops that we've attended. And I just feel like a butterfly that's come out of its cocoon.
In terms of mentorship with this programme, something amazing is that we got to have an input in who we wanted to work with as a mentor. And put forward Pete Scarpello. They're my favourite living poet. I really, really love their work and did not expect them to say yes. So when I got the email saying that they'd agreed to be my mentor, I was kind of bouncing around and couldn't stop talking about it.
After the discussions with Kerry, there'll be just something that I can really take away and apply, and I feel that the results of that are coming through the work, and I can see the improvement from the start of the programme to where I'm at now, and that's just brilliant, really satisfying.
Covered all angles of writing. And kind of made you aware of things maybe you don't necessarily associate with writing. So like the stuff that goes on behind the scenes, building your brand, the stuff you don't really want to think about when you think yourself as a writer.
The scary stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
I think there's been, nuggets of gold in all the sessions that we've done.
For me, with predominantly writing poetry, I feel even doing all the other kind of genres, it's helped me understand what it is that I'm doing at this point. So, and I've gained something from every course as well, every masterclass, every Zoom session. The tutors have just opened a door into their world really, and the way that they create.
I'm lucky that I've been here quite a few times before, so I already knew about the magic of Toulouse. I would always say it's like a place where it's almost impossible to describe because it's so magical. It's a haven, an absolute haven. That's the first word that springs to mind. It's a haven, a place of safety, a place of creativity, a place of magic. Just don't expect anything because something wonderful will happen. Always does, always does.
Dwi wedi mwynhau cwrs dysgu Cymraeg yn Tu Newydd achos mae hi'n lle gwych i aros. Mae tiwtoriaeth Siân a Delyn yn bendigedig a mae'n cwrs yn holl bwysig. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen at sessions nesa a'i dysgu mwy. I didn't think I'd be able to actually write something in Welsh this early in learning. It's been a really incredible year, and it's sad to think that it's like coming to an end, but actually, like ffrindiau newydd are now ffrindiau hen, it's like so I think it's just like I'm really, really excited to see and hear and read everything that everybody puts out into the world.